Good morning, Dunya here. Thanks for joining me. This is a spot where I look out the window at the day. We have a little flock of sparrows that lives in the hedge beside our house, and they fly in a sort of relaxed way in the sky, and they head towards a large tree. And the tree is losing the very end of its leaves, and when the leaves fall, sort of downish, and the birds fly up, they intersect and they look so much like one another. The size of the brown maple leaves and the size of the sparrows, and the sort of way they fill the sky in the same fashion with the same amount of space between them. So I'm enjoying watching them this morning. A lovely cup. Part of the vintage flower of the month series, and so they would make, this is cosmos, but different flowers are celebrated on the cups. Nicely done, I think. And I'm very fond of this shape of cup. Sort of wider at the bottom and goes in at the top. I'm sure it's got a name. I'll have to go look it up.